as we move from where we are to where we need to go, we need to have some kind of visual signal that shows us that we're moving. And I found this clip in Canva, and it gives us a view of where we are now, how pensive we are, how we're thinking deeply, and where we're going to go. So let's watch this quick video here. So I know that I could have put a picture on the right-hand side. She could be pointing at it, but I wanted to leave it open because we need a blank canvas. We need to start with a blank canvas. We know what's happened in the past. We know where we are. We know what we're doing to the planet. We're getting a deep understanding of that in the series, and we need to go forward. So this is kind of a quick interlude and intermission tonight. Very quick video. And then we're going to see what happens tomorrow as we move forward. We're looking at the future and taking into account the past. Thank you. I wish you many blessings and health. And please subscribe, like, share, and sending many blessings. Amen.